Hi, and welcome to this overview video of the AMALYZE Chrome extension. Here in the Chrome Web Store, you can easily click on the blue button Add to Chrome. This window will appear. Just click on Add Extension, and a further browser tab will be opened, which will forward you directly to an Amazon marketplace. In the upper left corner, you can notice that the AMALYZE Chrome extension now is available and active in your browser. Let's start to search for products on Amazon and check which data the AMALYZE Chrome extension provides us with in order to analyze the search results. I look for yoga mat. The AMALYZE Chrome extension provides us with 6 different widgets, which gives us the opportunity to analyze the search results. First of all, we get the search volume for the keyword itself, means yoga mat in this case. We get up to 50 related and relevant keywords up in this widget here. Then we have 4 further widgets which split the organic from the sponsored products regarding the reviews, the price range, the rating of the stars, and the prime batch availability. Additionally, you will find those info boxes down here for every single search result. The color here already marks that this product here is a sponsored product, and blue marks this one here as an organic product. We provide you also with the ASIN here. If you click on it, a further browser tab will be opened in order to land on the detail page of the product offer. And also you see a lot of different KPIs here, as the visibility of the product, the price, merchant, variations, and so on. You will learn more about that in our AMALYZE Chrome extension videos. And for your flexibility, these widgets here provided by the AMALYZE Chrome extension can be changed if it comes to the scale. You can make it larger or even smaller, and you can also move them from left to right or right to left by drag and drop. If you click on the symbol in the upper right corner here, you will open up a drop-down menu which gives you the opportunity to decide if widgets should be displayed in your view with the slider here, or you can also add them once again in order to have them back on your view. Search volume. With the AMALYZE Chrome extension, we give you the opportunity to analyze quick and easy the search volume of a certain keyword. As we can see here, this chart provides us with the search volume of the keyword yoga mat. You can easily hold your mouse over the certain measuring points in order to get the search volume given for the day. In the upper right corner, we can decide to view the all-time chart, 1 year, 90 days, or last 30 days. If you want to know what the AMALYZE search volume 2.0 really is, just hold your mouse over this icon here in order to get an explanation. Related and relevant keywords. With this widget here, we directly provide you with up to 50 related and relevant keywords. Of course, in regard to the search results down here, you can easily analyze them in here. You can just click on this button in the upper right corner in order to copy all of these keywords into your clipboard for your next ad campaign or your SEO strategies. You can easily filter them further then. And you can also click on every single keyword here in order to initialize a new search, of course, with the certain keyword you have clicked on. Reviews. In order to easily analyze the reviews of the search results, you can use this widget here. In here, you get the certain sponsored marked as red and organic marked as blue products here, and percentages given if it comes to certain reviews. For example, here, 1 to 9 reviews, here you see that the sponsored products are in the majority. And then we also have the ratings. The ratings of the search results can also be analyzed quick and easy with this widget here. Also here, we split the organic from the sponsored products. Also here, you just have to hold your mouse over one of these bars in order to see the percentages when it comes to certain stars. For example, here, 4 stars. The prime badges. In order to check quick and easy if the search results for a certain keywords were detected with a prime badge or not, you can use this widget here. At first, we see here that we give you the information about the prime batch availability of organic and sponsored products. On the right side, we see that we also give you the information of the non-availability when it comes to the prime batch of the search results. And accurate overview when it comes to the price ranges. You can easily use this widget here. Also here, easily the mouse over of the bars if you hold the mouse over one of these bars, and you get the percentages displayed here when it comes to certain price ranges of the products here or search results. And for the single search results that are displayed to certain search terms, we provide you with those info boxes for every single product here. As we can see also here, the red marked ones are the sponsored and the blue marked are the organic products. Those ASINs here that are displayed can be clicked on in order to open up another browser tab and to land on the product detail page of the offer. And also, as you can see here in those boxes, we display certain and relevant KPIs, such as the visibility, the merchant or who is selling the product, and further information about the content, for example, images, video, and also color or variations. With this symbol in the upper right corner here, you can open up a further window in which you can decide which time frame you want to set if it comes to the update of the data sets. And also with those sliders down here, you can decide which KPIs should be displayed in your box or not. Just click on submit and the AMALYZE Chrome extension will adjust the setting. Quick and easy check if a product is indexed to its keywords and can be found to them. With our index checker, you can easily do that here. I'm in the search results for yoga mats on Amazon.com, and I now click on Index Checker in the upper left corner. Here a drop-down menu opens. I choose the first menu point, check my own keywords. This window opens. Here in this ASIN line, I can now paste in the ASIN that I want to query or that is affected. On the right side, as you can see here, the marketplace is already given, and you can click on this line here in order to open up the drop-down menu and choose the further marketplaces. Down here, you can now easily type in the text. Please make sure that you type in the keywords among each other, because that would mean that you query every single keyword and not just one. Let's do the check. I click on submit here. The AMALYZE Chrome extension and the index checker will check if this product is indexed and can be found to those keywords here. How to check if a product is foundable and indexed to the keywords in the title, bullet points, details, A+, and so on. Let's check it. I click on this product here. We land on the detail page. If I now click on index checker in our AMALYZE Chrome extension, and in the drop-down menu that appears on title, the AMALYZE Chrome extension and the index checker will check immediately if this product here is indexed to its keywords in the title, and will tell you with the green color that the product is indexed to these keywords or to those keywords here in the title and can be found to them. Also, the bullet points can be checked easily. And here we already notice that this product here is not indexed to this character here and cannot be found to it. Also, the A+ content can be easily checked with the AMALYZE Chrome extension and the index checker. And yeah, now you can easily check if your product, for example, can be found and is indexed to the certain keyword when it comes to the parts of the content. And here is our sign in the upper right corner. We get the information that the check was successful, and now you can check if a product can be found to certain keywords here or not. Check and analyze the Amazon suggests in real time with AMALYZE. With our Keywords Analyzer and our Chrome extension, you can easily do this. Just click on Keywords up here and on AMALYZER. This window will open. First up, you can choose the marketplace on which you want to do the query. Then here, right next to the marketplace, you can type in the keyword or suggest that you want to query. Right next to the keyword, you now can choose the department. Means click on this here, and the drop-down menu will open with the further departments that Amazon.com offers. Or you just do the query in all departments. Right next to the departments, you see that it comes to the level. means you can choose the level that you want to query when it comes to the suggest. Level 2, for example, would mean that right next or right left to the keyword yoga, there could appear two further characters. And the next and also last option here is we can query yoga as an exact keyword or as a part of a word. Exact would mean yoga space mat or yoga space women, and part of a word would mean yoga mat as one word. Just click on submit in order to do the query in real time. You will be provided first of all with a keyword cloud out of our AMALYZE Chrome extension, which tells you which word has the highest frequency within these suggests here. If you click on keywords, we give you here the keywords or suggests themselves with a score. The score tells you, for example, yoga mat would be the suggest that would appear at the very top, and then you can also sort them here downwards. And if you click on download keywords, you can easily download all of these more than 3,000 suggests here that we just queried for you in real time for your Excel sheet for some ad campaigns or SEO strategies. If you click on words, you get the words with the highest frequency or occurrence here within the suggests, and also them can be downloaded without any limit for your further steps for your ad campaigns or other strategies.